Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay contractors through Gusto. So whether you're working with freelancers, consultants, or independent contractors, Gusto makes it super simple to get them paid on time and with all the right forms handled for you. So here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to set it all up. So step one is to go to the contractors section. Now from your Gusto dashboard on the Gusto website, look for contractors, and if you don't see it, you might find it under people or listed as add contractors. So go ahead and click add contractor to begin this setup. Step two is to enter contractor information. So you're going to need to enter some key details about your contractor, which includes their full name or business name, email address, type, it could be individual or business, as well as compensation terms, could be fixed rates, hourly per project, etc., whatever it is. And after saving, Gusto will send them an invite to fill out the rest. Step three is contractor fills out their W-9 forms. So your contractor will receive an email with a link to their Gusto profile. There they'll sort out a couple of things. One is to enter tax ID information that includes social security number or EIN. And they're also going to need to set up direct deposits, likewise to submit their W-9 forms. They're also going to need to agree to electronic delivery of 1099s, optional, but it's extremely convenient. And you'll get a notification when their profile is complete. Step four, it will be to send a payment. So once a contractor is set up, you can pay them right through Gusto. Just click pay contractor to select their name, enter the amount, and choose the payment date. Gusto supports both one-time and recurring payments, so you can automate regular payments if needed. Step five is tax forms and year-end compliances. So here's the best part. Gusto automatically generates and files 1099 NEC forms for your contractors at the end of the year. So you don't have to lift a finger. Just make sure that all payments are logged through the platform. They'll get digital and or mailed copies depending on what they choose during onboarding. And yeah, that's it. Paying contractors to Gusto is as easy as paying employees, but with fewer steps and no tax withholdings. Next up, we're going to go through how to run your first payroll for employees. So stay tuned to that. Like the video if you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.